this video, we're going to walk through how to use InnerOrbit's three-dimensional rubrics to score open-ended questions. At the very top of your screen, you will see the assessment title. You'll see the phenomena from InnerOrbit, and you can also click on this View Phenomena button to have a little reminder of the content or figures the students were using to answer this question. Here in blue, you will see the question that students are trying to answer. You'll see student name, when the student submitted the assessment. You can also click View Answer Sheet to see the student's entire work in context. Click X to go back to the scoring guide. Here you'll see the student response and the three-dimensional rubric beneath. As you score the student response, you'll be reading through the different scales up from 0 to 4 as advanced. Please note that 3 is proficient. The elements at this level are exactly what the different DCIs, SEPs, and cross-cutting concepts are looking for. So when students are mastering that specific dimension in their answer, proficient is 3, advanced is rated a 4. So as you look through the student work, you can also use this quick highlighting phrases box. So if you want to turn it on, you can click on. And then you can also add extra words like mountain, or say, for example, students misspell words commonly. You can add that misspelled word as well to have it show in student responses. So after you look through student work, you can go ahead and score students on the disciplinary core ideas, the S science and engineering practices, and then the cross-cutting concept based upon what you see in the student work and the elements in the rubric. You can leave student feedback by clicking on this speech bubble to leave feedback in the bubble that students will see in their answer sheet. When you're done scoring this student work, you will see their scores over to the side by dimension. You'll also see the full student average of their score for that question. You can also hover to see any feedback that you've left by clicking the speech bubble here as well. To navigate to the next student, you can either click on that student name, use the down arrows, or click Next Answer. For quick scoring, you can click the whole category of proficient or developing up at the top, or you even use your keyboard just by clicking the 1, 2, 3, or 4. As you go through and score student work, you'll see all student scores populate on the left. You can filter these student scores by last name, by average score, by DCI, SEP, or cross-cutting concept. Additionally, you can review all of the student work by clicking this review button at the top by seeing all of the student work, and if the highlighting feature is on, the highlights will show. You can also hide student names from this work to be able to screen share or take screenshots of this view for your class to look at many different student examples.